WGAN Forum Podcast number 276. Wednesday, March 6, 2024.
This WGAN Forum podcast is sponsored by the We Get Around Network Forum, the best PropTech community of professional Matterport, Real C and related digital twin creators and providers shaping the future of real estate today. WGAN helps you connect the dots to succeed faster. Join free at WeGetAroundNetwork.com.
Matterport and KnowHow partner to accelerate worker training and onboarding for digital twin solutions in the restoration sector. SUNNYVALE, California, Wednesday, March 6, 2024, Globe NEWSWIRE, Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, and KnowHow, a leading software platform to onboard, skill up, and equip workforces in the restoration industry, announced a partnership to deliver comprehensive just-in-time online system training for Matterport's digital twin platform to all KnowHow customers. On average, turnover rate in construction and restoration is roughly 21%, with employees 24 or younger as high as 64%. As restoration crews face ongoing turnover, teams are increasingly turning to technologies like KnowHow to upskill employees that are new to the industry or inexperienced for a specific job. Through this partnership, KnowHow will offer its vast network of restoration professionals comprehensive training for Matterport's entire solution, from operating the Pro Series cameras to capturing and documenting spaces effectively, ensuring optimal use of Matterport's digital twin platform in their projects. KnowHow is the leading software for onboarding and equipping workers in the restoration industry, supporting owners, franchisors, general managers, project managers, and field staff with digital, on-the-job training. With more than 150,000 step-by-step processes created by restoration staff, KnowHow provides its customers with intuitive training that ensures every worker has easy access to the knowledge they need to succeed in their role. Matterport is consistently ranked by restoration leaders as one of the industry's top tools for photo documentation of job sites in our State of the Industry survey, said Leighton Healy, Chief Executive Officer of KnowHow. KnowHow helps customers get full horsepower out of tools like Matterport, ensuring staff know when and how to use it, regardless of their level of experience or language preference. This partnership reinforces Matterport's fierce commitment to empowering their customers with all the tools they need to be successful in their role, and KnowHow's dedication to building a confident workforce. Matterport's digital twin technology transforms physical buildings and spaces into photorealistic 3D replicas. For the restoration industry, these easy-to-navigate 3D spaces deliver accurate, transparent, and fair documentation that save crews time, cuts costs, and helps them complete jobs much faster. As part of Matterport's Winter 2024 release, Automating the Future, Matterport launched Property Intelligence, its proprietary collection of AI-powered features that provides customers with access to automated measurements, layouts, editing, and reporting capabilities generated from a Matterport digital twin of their property. This can assist restoration professionals with better cost estimates for maintenance, reduce time spent traveling to site for additional detail, as well as increase collaboration with customers to ensure better project clarity that ultimately drives the best results. In an industry with consistent turnover, KnowHow is leading the charge in shrinking the skill gap for restoration professionals, said Jay Remley, Chief Revenue Officer, Matterport. KnowHow is an ideal partner to evangelize our solutions for the restoration industry, helping crews succeed quickly with confidence when using our digital twin solutions to help them complete jobs faster, more effectively. Matterport's best practices and procedures are available to every new and existing KnowHow customer, on their desktop or mobile devices via the KnowHow app. With KnowHow's step-by-step walkthroughs, restoration teams can get up to speed on Matterport services faster than ever. To learn more about Matterport's solutions for restoration and design and construction management, visit www.matterport.com. About KnowHow. KnowHow is an intuitive, mobile-first application that helps service industry leaders rapidly onboard new hires, upskill their workforce, and provide on-demand, expert guidance for every job. The app centralizes company how-to and best practices, and with the help of AI-powered virtual expert, Howie, provides workforces with easy-to-follow directions in their preferred language. With KnowHow, companies accelerate new hire productivity, reduce costly errors, free up management capacity, and build a more confident workforce. Learn more about how KnowHow makes it easy to build, maintain, translate, and share standard operating procedures at www.tryknowhow.com. About Matterport. Matterport, Incorporated. Nasdaq, MTTR, is the world's #1 digital twin platform leading the digital transformation of the built world. Our groundbreaking platform turns buildings into data to make every space more valuable and accessible. Millions of buildings in more than 177 countries have been transformed into immersive Matterport digital twins to improve every part of the building lifecycle from planning, construction, and operations to documentation, appraisal, and marketing. Learn more at Matterport.com and browse a gallery of digital twins. Copyright 2024 Matterport, Incorporated. All rights reserved. Matterport is a registered trademark and the Matterport logo is a trademark of Matterport, Incorporated. All other marks are the property of their respective owners. Footnotes. 1. Largest digital twin cloud-hosted platform for the built world square. Foot scanned. Data on file. 2. MindForge, February 14, 2023, How to Prevent Employee Turnover on Your Construction Site. Source, Matterport via NEWSWIRE.